the matter, Sonic? Can't keep up?
You were saying?
I didn't mean that literally. It was a taunt. It's Villainy 101.
Amy, Knuckles, go left!
Give me a sec. I'm on it.
Sweet, boost pad!
You can't outrun me this time! Blast you, Sonic! Take that! Move ahead! Yes, yes, keep running! Dodge this!
Boost ring!
All right, this is getting old. Let's jump ahead to the part where I ambush you.
Great. Metal Sonic has to show up right when Eggman is springing a surprise attack on us.
How cute! You need your friends to save you.
Watch out! He's destroying the road!
I don't need anyone to stop you.
Not what it looks like from up here.
Why don't you come down here and find out?
Why? Will your friends beat me up?
They are doing a lot of damage!
Where is this darn clearing?
Whoa! Keep running!
Almost there. I have you now.
Well, his aim is getting a lot better.
Well, what are you waiting for? After them! Oh, Sonic! You know what's better than an ambush?
An ambush with ice cream?
That sounds delicious. But no, the post-ambush ambush. So I dug up these ancient robots, and it took me forever to figure out how to control them. And then I couldn't have all that effort go to waste unless I'd sick them on you! Try to appreciate all the work I put in as they destroy you. Toodles!